Hello and welcome to the UltraCare Pro User Guide series. These are an exclusive series of videos created just for you so that you can take better care of your health. UltraCare Pro is on the mission to improve your quality of life by creating innovative pain management devices. They come up with a unique set of products that are helpful to improve your pain. Check their website www.ultracarepro.in and understand about their products. The link to the website is mentioned in the description box below. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a pain management video for you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to use UltraCare PRO Combo3 Plus device. I'm going to demonstrate you and show you how to use this product in the best possible way. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Combo3 Plus is in 3-in-1 modality. It is a combination of IFT, electrical muscle stimulator and TENS device into one compact, smart and easy to use product. It operates on battery as well as adapter and is completely digital. If you look at the packaging of the device, you will receive 1 unit of Combo3 Plus device, 2 pair of self-adhesive electrodes, 2 pair of button electrodes, 2 connecting cables, a battery, an adapter, user manual, electrode placement chart and a carrying pouch. Here's few things that you should keep in mind while using this device. The pad electrode that you receive with this device is for application of IFT, TENS or EMS program on muscles or joint area. You need not apply any gel to these electrodes as they come in sticker form. The button electrode that you receive with the device is for facial stimulation. You need to apply gel to these electrodes and later place it on the facial muscles that needs to be stimulated. The battery that you receive with the device is not rechargeable. Hence, you need to replace it once it's over. The adapter is another source of power to run this device, but it does not charge the machine. Hence, whenever you want to use the device, you either need to attach an adapter or the battery. The IFT unit of Combo3 Plus device doesn't run on battery and you need to attach power cable to run it. Moving to the Combo3 Plus unit, as you can see in it, it has got 2 output units. Moving to the Combo3 Plus unit, in front there is digital display, there is set control button, there is a program selector, there is intensity control button and there is AC power connector. It has got 2 output units on the top. On back side you have a belt clip and a battery case. On the other side you have lock and unlock button. To use this device, switch on the machine, select the modality type between IFT, EMS or TENS. You can do this by pressing the mode buttons. After pressing the mode buttons, you can then choose the preset program with the help of plus or minus button, and you can use either the recommended program or else the program that you have chosen for yourself. Here are some of the preset recommended programs that we usually recommend for our users. P03 or else program 03 for TENS, program 09 for EMS and program 05 for IFT. Once you have chosen the program, you need to gradually increase the intensity. You might need to raise the intensity level to a certain extent to feel the current. Once the session is done, switch off the device. Remove the electrodes and place it back and the machine is ready for the next use. To understand the placement of electrodes for different conditions, you can either refer to the placement chart that you receive with the product or you can also refer to the videos in our channel. So friends, this was a demo video of how to use Combo3 Plus device by UltraCare Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also make sure to comment and let us know your feedbacks and your experience of using UltraCare Pro products. I am looking forward to hear from you. On that note, I'll end this video here and see you in another video. Thank you.